Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy, and I know that I haven't posted on this channel for quite a long time, and I just want to be completely forthcoming with you guys on why I haven't posted in such a long time, and kind of what my future plans are for the second channel that I have. And first off, the reason that I haven't posted on this channel for such a long time has just been time constraints. Between work and posting on the main channel, I just haven't had time to post on this second channel. And so it's kind of obviously made things difficult with me from a mental standpoint, because I've been super frustrated at the fact that I started a project and didn't, go with it essentially. I started this project and I just completely dropped the ball. So now that things have changed, and a video will be posting on my main channel describing this a little bit more, but I am pursuing YouTube full time now, and so now that the time constraints that were there are not there anymore, I am going to be posting on this channel a lot more often. Now, the other reason that was kind of holding me back a little bit on this channel was, to be completely forthcoming, just a lack of direction. I have a clear direction for the main channel, right? I post car reviews and I post videos of my personal truck that I have and having fun with that truck, right? It's a clear direction that, I'm going to post a car review every single day, and, pretty much whenever I want, I'm going to post a video on my truck. And it's just pretty simple, so then it makes an uploading schedule pretty simple, all that kind of stuff. However, with this channel, I kind of have been all over the place, right? I've been like, okay, well, I wanted this to be a channel to help people with, business stuff. And I'm like, well, I'm not as passionate about that. I'm like, well, I want this to be a channel about helping people to, inspire people, to help them to grow themselves and all that kind of stuff. And I'm like, I love that. But then I'm like, it's kind of hard for people to take me seriously because I'm only 22 years old. And even though I've gotten to a certain point where I obviously run my own business and I make what I consider, especially for my age, a really good living. And so I would think that people would want to hear what I have to say, but then it's kind of difficult when you have that age stigma. That's something I've had to deal with my whole life, and as frustrating as it is, it's one of those things where it is what it is. So I think that what I need to do on this channel is, at first, I'm just going to probably make random videos, and sorry if you hate that, but that's pretty much what's going to happen until I find a clear direction for this channel, what I'm doing with this channel, why this channel is in existence, all that kind of stuff. Because initially it was going to be my outlet for all that stuff that I just don't want to put on my other channel because it's not automotive related. So I think that that's more what this channel is going to be, is all the other stuff that I want to film content-wise that's not automotive related, I'm probably going to put on this channel. So I guess it'll be more of like a, kind of like a lifestyle channel to an extent, right? But there's just going to be a bunch of stuff. I thought something really cool I could do would be like interview people. For example, I think that would be something that would be really fun for me to do personally. But yeah, that's really what it is. It's that simple. I didn't have a direction for this channel. I still don't 100% have a direction, but I've got more time now. So I'm going to try to upload regularly to this channel. The upload volume probably won't be super high initially, but once I kind of get into the groove of things and get things consistent, I'm just going to get up and going and, get this channel to a point where I can really just like it and appreciate it for what it is. And hopefully the content that I bring out is something that you guys like to watch, so that it can obviously grow and develop and turn into its own separate thing, essentially. So if there's anything that you guys would want to see content-wise, let me know in the comment section below, and I can, make videos on that stuff for this channel. Obviously, if it's automotive related, it's probably going to be on the main channel. But stuff that's not automotive related, right? If you guys want me to make videos on, how to be a YouTuber, right? If you want me to make videos about financial stuff, business stuff, lifestyle stuff, all that kind of stuff, what you guys basically want to see, just let me know in the comment section below, and I can start doing that. And also on top of that, this channel will be kind of like a question and answer type format as well, to an extent. So if you guys want to start asking questions that I can probably make like a dedicated video on, then I really appreciate that, and kind of get that going where we can have an interactive environment on stuff like that. So, that's it. If you happen to be stopping for the first time, please subscribe. I'll see all of you in that next video.